The term Hellenes and the symbolism of stone. The term Hellenes meant our people of the stones. But what does it really indicate? Stones are not merely matter. They represent the degenerative project of god Satan and were used as symbols, manifested in monuments, temples, megaliths, and columns. The meaning of stone in the Bible and ancient symbolism. In the Bible, stone is associated with god Satan and is linked to the manipulation carried out by the Nephilim, the giants, who until the 182nd year possessed the power to control and shape stone. After that time, this power was lost. From this ability also originated the mental manipulation induced by god Satan upon consciousness, aimed at fulfilling his project. Stone and rock are therefore used as symbols of god Satan's spirituality and of the transformation of consciousness. Symbolism of stone and sexual elements. This concept is also represented through sexual and fertility symbols, such as pillars, arches, poles, obelisks, seeds, male project, womb, female project, caves, beams, arcs, and closed or open circles. The biblical meaning of stone. In the Bible, stone, equivalent to rock, is associated with god Satan. The building of stone heaps or steles indicates an altar symbolizing the talamos, a project entering into consciousness, founded on the rock and representing the earth, that is, the mind and consciousness. This is part of the sequence leading to the fulfillment of the network of consciousness. The cave, symbolizing the maternal womb, recurs in the Bible and in myths. Elijah in the hollowed cave, Abraham's tomb, the birth and burial of Jesus in the cave, the sepulchre carved in the rock, the grotto of Lourdes, and the rock of Moses from which water flows. Jacob used a stone as a pillow and dreamed of a ladder uniting earth and heaven. It represents the union between the project of god Satan, heaven, and the earth, rock. Jesus said they would see heaven opened, a symbol of a spiritual portal. Plato, in the myth of the cave, described human consciousness. Men inside the cave represent the initial project, while the exit and the vision of the sun represent the completion of god Satan's degenerative transformation. Every stone is a message inscribed in matter. Stones signify a project that enters matter, that is, into the rock. For example, the name Peter means stone and refers to the Nephilim and the Anunnaki, the giants. Before the 182nd year, they were allies of Elohim, that is, God, who is Satan. They were entrusted with the degenerative project of the simulation. They could manipulate stone, make it levitate, and in this way built pyramids and entire civilizations, like Greek temples or Phoenician Cyclopean constructions. All these elements are connected to a deeper knowledge. The carvings on stone were not simple communications. They were symbols left by the Nephilim and the Anunnaki. Take, for example, the inscriptions of Bisotun, also called Bagastana, meaning place of the gods. These are not just history, but clues. Clues left because god Satan is compelled to reveal the truth, even if hidden. Without this, he would not be allowed to carry out his project.